Hello, today we'll be comparing the usability of two websites, so the Idaho Fish and Game Department and the Oregon Fish and Game Department. The audience that these websites are addressed to is the general public who have an interest in the outdoors. First, I will begin with the Idaho Fish and Game website. As you can tell, this is a little bit of an older website. However, it has a lot of things going on that are happening in the state, along with different regions of the state. Here you can find different tabs of all of the departments that this website oversees, including the fishing department, where you can find different fish in the areas and tips on how to catch these fish. You can also find different licensing information for both online and in the offices, for both residents and non-residents. You can also buy a license on the top right-hand corner, and the tab clearly stated buy a license, along with if you scroll down, you can also find another tab for buying a license. There is also information where you can contact anyone further or frequently asked questions. On the Oregon Department of Fish and Game, you can find under the Fishing tab lots of different resources as well. For example, they have species, zones, seasonal opportunities, licensing info, and workshops and events. Under the licensing info, you can find information for both resident and non-resident licensings, along with any other licensing information that you may have. You can buy a license on the top right-hand corner, as it clearly states buy a license, and it is very easy to find. Along with, at the bottom of the website, they have additional resources and additional phone numbers and addresses where you can contact for any additional questions that you may have. I found that both these websites were very usable and easy to use. However, I found that the Oregon website was more visually appealing and more usable on the LinkedIn scale. Thank you for listening to the comparison of my two websites.